Hey, welcome back to RC 101 with the Dallas Flyer. We've got something beautiful from Silverlit today, the V-Jet Mini. I don't know if you remember the Osprey full tilt a few years back. It was a larger version of this aircraft with a few technical differences. They've come out with a smaller version. This is actually small enough that you could hover it around inside, and you can take it outside, switch it to forward flight mode, and get you some full-on forward flight. Now, I've found that this is actually more than just a two-channel aircraft. Now, when you're hovering in helicopter mode, you can spin it around and move up and down. It'll slowly move forward on its own. You can trim the left and right a little bit. To go into forward flight mode, you just press a button. The wings move forward and off you go, and it's a very, very simple, easy transition. But one of the nicest things about it is when you're flying around like an airplane, you can just press the transition button at any point in time, wings pop up and it'll stop in mid-air. You can turn whichever way you want to go, switch back to airplane mode, and off you go. One of the best ways to fly this aircraft, because when you're flying like a normal airplane, you've got to kind of bank it and turn it, and it can be kind of a big turn. But if you want to do a quick turn, you can just stop, turn, and go on back. Beautiful aircraft, one of my favorite aircraft ever from Silverlit. There's also an Air Hogs version of this as well. Now, the difference between the full-size version and the Mini is the way that it actually controls the spin whenever it's in helicopter mode. The full-size version, the left and right sections of the wing actually tilted independently of each other. In this version, it's actually got a set of flaps that are controlled by an electromagnetic servo. So it's a little bit better design, a little bit more compact, and a little bit more reliable. It's a lot of fun to fly. Let's take it outside, see how she does.
All of a sudden, you can just press the button and he will come to a little stop like that. And that is the length of his range. Just bring it back over. Gonna go straight forward flight. Stuck in the tree. Transition. Turn around. Then go forward flight. It's actually a lot easier than doing a slow turn. Just transition it and then turn it and then go the way you want, because it turns really slow. Like that, you're going to stop it and turn it. Actually means you can fly in a really tight spot. Stop it, turn. I'm sure what make it spin. See it? Open and closing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Airhogs is almost out of juice. at this low level hovering and still find itself.
Right now.
So yeah, that's it. That's the V-Jet Mini. Beautiful, beautiful aircraft. There's nothing like being able to stop an airplane on a dime, turn it around, and then just keep on going. And it's actually pretty crash resistant too. I got it stuck up in a tree and got it back down without any trouble. Didn't cause any damage at all. I mean, this is a good, solid aircraft. Not too much of a difference between the Silverlit version and the Air Hogs version. The Silverlit version is more the collector's version. I had about 5 minutes worth of flight time from a 35-minute charge. Now, it does recharge from the transmitter. It uses 4 AA batteries. It didn't come with a USB charger. However, there is a USB charger that does fit it that came with this Silverlit folding helicopter, and it will recharge it in about 20-30 minutes or so. So this is definitely a good addition to have. I would have liked it if Silverlit would have included one of these with the package, but altogether you can charge it in about 20-30 minutes from the transmitter, fly it out in the field, charge it again, have a lot of fun. So definitely check out the V-Jet Mini. We appreciate you watching RC 101 with the Dallas Flyer. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.